Hey there everyone, it's me Laura with Bold Ocean Quilting, and I want to show you a cool little device that we have on the website that are called ear savers. So they're fantastic for masks that you have that have elastic on the ears, and you just put the elastic on either side and it takes the elastic up and off your ears and over your neck. But they also have a super cool little addition to them so that they're a little more versatile. If you have some handkerchiefs at home, or even if you're a sewer or quilter and you have some extra pieces of fabric, a handkerchief is 21 by 21 inches, so I just cut a square of quilter's cotton out, and we're going to show you how you can use this to put a kerchief on for when you go shopping at the store. Okay, so here's your thing. When you put it on, you want to make sure to have it's got a, here, let's do this one. It's got kind of a U shape to it, right? So you want it to smile, and that's going to go around the back of your neck that way. And he's just going to show you how he puts it on himself, so you can see how easy it is.
When she says easy,
I mean super easy. You're doing it upside down. There you go.
Backwards.
Now something like this is great for laid back men who like to just toss stuff on and go. They don't want to wear a mask. Maybe they don't like tying it up on their head. But also, like, my dad has this beard that's like 10 inches long. And so something like this would allow them to cover their face with the beard and keep their beard all nice and out of the way of germs. So something like this will cover all of that, and then they don't have to worry about their beard being in the way. With that said, if you wanted to make your own kerchiefs, that would be better than purchasing the kerchiefs from a store, because quilter's weight cotton is 2 to 3 times more densely woven than an actual handkerchief. So this can be a great addition for your favorite men in your life. Now if we take this off, if you cut this in half and wore this as a rectangle, let's say you want to get this, oh, my daughter's coming in.
You know why it took long to get home?
I don't want to know because we're filming. Give me just a minute.
Oh.
And that looks awesome if you made that.
I did.
Okay, so if you wanted to wear kind of more of a mask style on your face as opposed to the bandana, what you would do is you could fold the bandana in half so it's a rectangle, and then you're going to put one side in, and notice these little slits here. So you're going to put one side in the X, okay, put it to where it's comfortable on your face. Okay, you're going to put the other side in the X, and then if we turn around, let's turn you around both. Okay, you've got these slits on the back. Is it over your ear on each side or under? Okay. Where you can take this and slide it under the slit and pull up. And what that's going to do is that's going to cup under your chin and give you more of a mask style, and the width of the fabric causes these little tails to happen and pucker, and it holds it nice and tight on your face. And again, if you had a beard, you could have something that's much bigger that will then cup and hold the beard as well. So if you're interested in getting any of these ear savers, they're also great for kerchiefs. You can get them on boldnotionquilting.com. We just got in a new order of them, so check it out. We have about 200 in stock, and you can buy them for yourself or for any first responders or anything that you want to give them to. They're only $2 on the website, so check out boldnotionquilting.com. It's right there on the front page, or you can search in the products, ear savers. Thanks for watching. Please share.
Bye.